Good morning, guys!
Hello! Magandang madaling araw!
Oo! Tuloy na tuloy ang ating arana.
And our timer starts now!
Nasa unahan ka ng parang 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Running has always been part of Skechers, no? So we really love to support the running communities in the Philippines. Over 4,000 ang dumating, no? So on behalf of Iron PH, I think we're very, very happy that it's a well-attended event. Skechers would like to thank all the runners who came out today. We look forward to seeing everyone again sa susunod na running event. We will keep you updated to more events from Skechers Running.
It's unbelievable. Kaya ko pala mag-podium kahit hindi ito yung forte ko. Kaya yun lang, train hard and discipline.
Taga Pampanga pa po ako. Napakaganda po ng mag-manage nila at yung mga marshal po sobrang responsible sa mga runners.
It was so fun. Mas naging challenging nung umulan pero worth it.
Proud ako kasi mag-senior ako pero no maintenance. Kaya ina-encourage ko ang lahat na mag-join.
It was fun. I came in late, so I had to join the 5K run instead of 10K. But I had fun. I finished like in 47 minutes.
Sinagawa ito kasama ang TV8, ang UP Lambak at ang Iron PH. Sila ay nagbigay ng 2 sirens for the UP Diliman community. Napakalaking tulong para sa pag-inform natin sa mga stakeholders natin tungkol sa mga sakuna. I'm very ecstatic because it was well participated in. It's the second time Iron PH held their fun run in UP Diliman, and like the first time, ganun pa rin kataas at ka-warm yung reception ng community, if not much warmer this time.
Amazing! Amazing yung Iron! Super sulit! Sulit ang lahat ng giveaway.
First leg, di ako nakasali. Nainggit ako. Paldo-paldo daw eh, bawing-bawi daw yung binayad sa registration, mababawi mo daw sa mga ganito. And totoo naman, tingnan mo naman.
Grabe pala si Iron. Sobrang daming boots and sobrang daming freebies. Pati may mga homegrown gulay pa. So happy. Ang dami. Thank you, Iron.
Ang first time ko to makita sa running event na may gulay. Free kasama pala sa freebies. Parang amazing naman ang fun run na to. Parang may advocacy kasi galing from farmers mismo.
Yun talaga yung gustong gawin ng event na mag-benefit yung mga sasali at yung mga iba-ibang partners na nangangailangan din talaga ng assistance o tulong sa kanilang mga advocacy. Super happy sila. Talagang na-highlight yung kanilang advocacy. Mas marami nakakita na may ganito palang pinaglalaban yung mga farmers.
Thank you, Skechers! Very comfy. Hindi sumakit yung paa ko sa 10 km.
Grabe, sobrang saya. Saka lalong-lalo na pag naka-Skechers ka. Ay, ang ganda! Ang sarap sa paa, ang lambot. Nakagaganahan ka talaga tumakbo. At syempre, nakatulong din tayo sa mga farmers, no? So, nakatakbo ka na, nakatulong ka pa.
Dear Iron PH, thank you so much for making us move today. Kailangan natin yan. And again, little by little, let's create those good habits that will give us a bigger impact moving forward.
Hey guys, kung mga hindi pa nakakasali sa Iron, dumating na kayo this coming December. Sobrang saya neto and tignan nyo naman! Paldo! Paldo!